What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and play Minecraft on your iPhone quickly and easily. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the App Store. Once here, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Search tab. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Minecraft and press Search. Scroll through the results until you find the official Minecraft app by Mojang. Be careful to select the right one, as there may be other similar looking apps. The official Minecraft app has the Mojang logo and recognizable blocky design. It's important to note that Minecraft is a paid game. The price may vary depending on your country or region. Once you've located the correct Minecraft game, tap on it to open the app page. Then, tap on the price button to proceed with the purchase. You'll need to confirm your payment method, whether it's Apple Pay, a linked credit or debit card, or App Store balance. Once you've selected your payment option, confirm the purchase by double-clicking the side button and using Face ID or Touch ID if prompted. After confirming the purchase, the download will begin. The game file size is around 1 GB, so depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Once the download is complete, you will see the Open button appear. And that's it. Minecraft is now installed on your iPhone and you're ready to play and start exploring the blocky world. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.